Hello guys, this is a new Blender 2.8 modeling tutorial and we are going to create a simple shuriken. I start with the default cube, then go to edit mode and scale it down along the Z axis. Okay, that looks good. Then I press Ctrl and R to add edge loops. One along the X and the other one along the Y axis. After that, I select both edge loops and then I press S, X and divide by 2 and then S and Y divided by 2. And then you end up with this kind of star shape. And I will cut in some cylindric shapes and I'm going to use my Fast Carve add-on for this. It is for free and the link is added to the description below. The first thing I do is to add a cylinder and decrease the radius. Okay, that's fine. Now I select the star and press Shift and Q to activate the menu of the Fast Carve add-on and I choose Selection as target. Now the star is the target of the following Boolean operations and with the cylinder selected I press Difference. Then I press G and Y to move the cylinder along the Y axis and you can see the hole that is cut into the star. Okay, I increase the size a bit of the cylinder, just like that. And again move it a bit along the Y axis to find a good position for the cut. Now press Center Origin and Mirror to add a mirror modifier. And then I go to the Modifiers tab and change the axis from X to Y. Okay, looks good. Then I apply this. And then I press Shift and D to duplicate, then R and Z and type in 90 to rotate 90 degrees around the Z axis. Then I select all the cylinders and press Ctrl and J to join them. Now I have one model. With that I can cut again into the star. So let's do this, just press Difference and then I hide the cylinders to see the resulting mesh. Okay, I'm happy with the shape, so go ahead and delete the cylinders because we don't need them anymore. So let's have a look at the mesh in edit mode. The geometry looks okay. And the next thing I do is to add an edge loop. I press Ctrl and R and add it here in the middle. Alright, now I select just these edges here. And with these selected, I press the S key and scale them up. Now I get these sharp edges for the shuriken, and this looks quite good to me. Okay, what's next? I want to add nice bevels for this, so I go to Object Mode and press Bevel Object. Okay, this looks good, but to make it even more crisp, I decrease the width of the bevel. Alright, the modeling part is finished. What you can do now is to change the shading and get rid of the overlays in the viewport. And the color of the principled shader I turn to a darker tone. But after that I will again go to edit mode. First I deselect all. And with edge selection enabled I select just these edges here. After that I press S and Z to bring the height of these edges a bit down. Now the tips of the shuriken look even sharper. Okay, in the end I set the matterness to 1 for the material, the principled shader, and I also decreased the roughness. So guys, I hope you liked these modeling tutorials for Blender. I think they are really good to learn the basics and get used to the tools. Please add your thoughts to the comments below. Thanks for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and perhaps you consider supporting me as my patron. This would really help this channel grow. Thanks for this, and I'll see you on JNM.